What's going on, everybody? Kevin here with Good Earth Water Gardens, and today we are in Oak Grove, Missouri, and we are installing a Pondless Waterfall. These homeowners actually already have one water feature that the guys created a couple years ago. This is water feature number 2. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into things here. We are working on getting our edges all tucked and just the finishing work done. Have a few more rocks to set to get our spillway all in place. David is up there with Cody right now. So once that is in place, we can finish building the rest of the stream, get this thing all washed down, cleaned up, and we'll have this thing up and running later on today. Show you guys the other water feature here. Jordan and David Ludwig built this about 2 years ago. So you guys can leave down in the comments below if you think David Tran, Kevin and Austin and Brad's waterfall is better than David Ludwig and Jordan's waterfall. We're just getting all finished up around here. So we've turned the waterfall on, have a couple adjustments we need to make, and just getting all of our machines and equipment packed up, doing the last little bit of final details and finishing work, and just explaining all the little ins and outs to the homeowners, how everything functions on the system. And we will get on out of here in a second, but I'll go ahead and flip you guys around and show you what we came up with here. As always, if you enjoy seeing awesome content like this and want to see more as it comes out, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. We have new videos coming out every Friday.
It's hot. But we're building water features, baby.
Hey David, I just realized with the excavator being right here, you're blocking the entire time lapse. I'm about to roll on out of here. My hat's about to fly away too.
Bye guys. Have a good weekend.